One of the questions that we get many times from applicants is, should I apply in round 3 or round 4, or should I wait until next year? And our answer is, if you feel that this is the right time, both personally and professionally for you, and you have a competitive application, then go ahead and apply. We set aside seats in the class for each of the rounds, round 3 and round 4 included. And so if you're a competitive application, you have just as good of a chance of being admitted as if you'd applied round 1 or round 2. It's also a good time to start a conversation with us, to begin the process to learn about McDonough, to determine if it's a good fit for you, and for us to get to know you a little bit better, to determine if you're a good fit for us. So reach out to us, we'd love to get to know you, and we love to see your application in the next couple of months. All students are automatically considered for merit scholarship, and everything that you submit as part of your application is also considered for scholarships. Even students applying in round 3 or in round 4 are also considered for merit funding. So don't let that deter you from not applying, because we do set aside scholarship funds for people applying in later rounds. The great thing about applying in this year as well is that we've introduced new scholarships. So our FinTech scholarship, entrepreneurship, more real estate funds for scholarships, a gender equity scholarship, and certain funding opportunities for students coming from different countries. So go ahead and apply, and then if you are awarded a scholarship, you would find out at the time of admission of that amount in your award letter. One question that students ask us is, I want to apply in round 3 or round 4, but I'm not going to be able to travel to DC before I apply. Is this going to be frowned upon as part of my application? And the answer is no. We certainly do want you to engage with our community, whether that's engaging with our current student ambassadors or attending events as we travel throughout the country, or even attending our virtual information sessions and virtual application webinars. We also would suggest that once you apply, you do make the time to come out here and attend an experienced Georgetown class visit, or if you're invited, attend an interview on campus. The more, frankly, that you engage with the Georgetown McDonough community, I think the more you're going to see that it's a great community, one that you'll want to be a part of. And so it will help you to make a better decision in terms of which MBA program to choose. But if you can't make it out here between now and the round 3 and round 4 deadline, that's not a problem. We'll work with you to figure out the best ways to engage with our community. Final question is a question we get from international students. Typically, we recommend that international students apply by round 1 and round 2 in order to make sure that they have enough time to have their visa processed in order to be able to enter the country for orientation. This doesn't mean, however, that you can't apply for round 3, potentially even round 4. It just means that we cannot guarantee that you will be able to have enough time to process your visa before entering the country. So you should go ahead and apply, and then in a worst case scenario, if for whatever reason your visa is not able to be processed, we would set up a deferral plan for you to then enter the program for next year. So there's not a negative scenario that can come from it, and we'll work with you to expedite as quickly as possible the process on our end so that you can reach out to the consulate in your country.